The best Valorant settings for FPS and performance. If you're experiencing low FPS, input lag, or stuttering in Valorant, then don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'll show you the best settings to boost FPS, lower input delay, and get a smoother gaming experience. Let's get started. First, open Valorant and go to Valorant display settings. Always select windowed full screen or full screen mode in Valorant for maximum FPS and minimum input latency. These settings work equally well, so pick one that suits your preference. Regarding limiting your FPS, none of these settings should ever be used if your goal is to maximize performance. The only time you want to limit your FPS is if the machine you are playing on is prone to overheating. To test which NVIDIA Reflex low latency setting is best for you, you'll need to measure your FPS and latency stats. Head into your general settings, then stats, and enable the options shown in the image. Enabling these stats will reveal all the information you need in the top left of your game client. Now let's talk about Valorant's best graphics settings. As you can see in the video, these are the best possible graphics settings for Valorant. Many of these settings, if turned on, will put a sizable dent in your FPS numbers, while others have minimal impact. The detail quality, UI quality, and anisotrophic filtering settings can all be set to high with almost no detectable impact on FPS or latency numbers. And those are the best possible video settings for max FPS in Valorant. Good luck with your games and make sure to check back for more quick guides in the future.